In today's video, we will learn in detail how to write a SQL query for item master data in SAP Business One. To get the table field details, we will go to View, System Information, and once we hover the mouse on any field, then the table name, and the field name will show in the left bottom corner. We can see here the table name of the item master is OITM. So we will first write as select star from OITM. Then we will hover on one after another field and take the fields in our query under select statement. We will name the OITM table as T0. T0.item code for item code. Then we will see the item name field, which is item name itself. So we will write comma T0 item name. Then for name, which is T0 FRGN name. Next is the item group code. Item group code only will give us the code, which is linked with the item group table or window, which is to be joined with the OITM table by inner join. So here we will write the inner join OITB1 on T0.item group code equal to T1.item group code. Now our OITB table is joined, we will take the T1.item group name as the item group. T1.item group name. On executing the query, we will get the proper item group name in the output. We will take the barcode field. The inventory item, sales item, and purchase item field also we will write as per the same syntax given by SAP in the field name. We will use the withholding tax applicable field as well. Although the firm code field is the manufacturer detail, however the manufacturer table is different, which will be directly joined through inner join to get the exact manufacturer name as same process like item group. So here we will join OMRC table, which is the manufacturer table. The unnecessary fields like item group code and manufacturer code we will remove from our query, since those are not required. Now the additional identifier. The field name is SWW, so we will write as T0.SWW. In our output, we can see that some of the column names are not properly understandable, so we will rename those by writing as and the new name. After changing the name, the output looks perfect. The serial and batch number section is a little bit tricky, but don't worry, I am here to help you. There is three: type 1 is none, next is serial managed, and another is batch managed. Manage method is actually the next field name. However, in SAP, if the item is batch managed, then it shows batch managed field as Y. If it is serial managed, then the serial managed will be Y, otherwise both will be N. Manage batch number is the one field, and the other field is manage serial number. Now, if both the field are coming in two different columns, then that will be difficult for the user to understand the actual item type. So to get the manage method in a single column, we can write a case statement, which will help us to convert the data to one column and properly, and based on condition. So we will write like case: when manage serial number equals NO and manage batch number equals NO, then it should show as non-batch or non-serial. If the serial number equals NO, and the batch number equals yes, then it is a batch managed item. If the serial number equals yes and the batch number equals NO, then it is a serial managed item. We will end the condition here. Here the manage method is showing as our, we will write similar case condition like the previous one to get the proper output. We will write the other fields details in the similar way from the system. Now we will jump to the final stage of the deployment of the query. We fast forward the section until we reach to the deployment part. Now we have reached to the final stage where we will deploy the query as a report to SAP Business One. We will go to the Query Generator window and paste the query. The query will run without any parameter now. If I want to add one parameter on the item group, then I have to edit the query and edit a little bit. I will write a where condition here. White TV is the item group table from where I can add the parameter, so I will use that, and then t1.itemGroupName equals the parameter sign. We can see here the parameter is showing when we are trying to execute the report. Currently, the parameter is a mandatory parameter. Now, if I want to change this parameter as a non-mandatory parameter, then we have keep the parameter sign inside a single quote, and also we have to write the same parameter sign equal to blank, which is single quote open and close. Now the report is working with and without selecting the parameter. Also, we will add one more field as on hand stock to get the current available stock of the item. Now I will save the report to this specific path with proper name. If you want me to share the query with you, please subscribe our channel and drop a comment. If you learned anything from the video, please like the video and share with others. Thank you.